When you're in the market for a new car cover, one of the first questions to ask is, do I want a custom fit car cover or a ready fit car cover? Now, the difference is going to be fit for the most part. All the California car cover branded covers are year, make, and model specific. So whether you have a classic Model A, a new SUV, sedan, anything in between, our covers are going to be fitted to that vehicle for the ultimate fit and protection. Whereas a ready fit car cover doesn't give you like a close, almost fit, because those car covers are designed to, fit a general pickup, SUV, or sedan shape. So today, I'm going to kind of show you a difference between a custom fit California car cover for this Honda Civic and a popular ready fit model that is sold for that same vehicle, and you can compare for yourself. A custom fit California car cover is year, make, and model specific for the ultimate fit and protection of your car, truck, or SUV. California car covers are available in a variety of indoor or outdoor use materials to protect your vehicle from dust, moisture, or UV rays. The car cover shown on this Honda Civic is one of our standard multi-weave 3 car cover fabrics. All California car covers feature an elastic hem at the front and rear, plus reinforced grommet holes at the center. While classic car covers won't necessarily have mirror pockets, most late model vehicle applications will include mirror pockets for a better fit. Select vehicles will also have a pocket for a roof antenna. A ready fit or universal fit car cover won't provide as tailored of a fit as a California car cover, but will provide you with a more economical car cover alternative. A ready fit car cover is more easily used on a few different vehicles of a similar size compared to our fitted custom fit car covers. While most ready fit car covers are available in a handful of different fabrics, California car cover offers many car cover materials designed for your vehicle's protection and storage needs. I installed a popular ready fit application for this Honda Civic, and you'll see it provides a pretty close fit, but not an exact custom fit. It's a little bit baggy at the front, it's a little baggy on the side here in the back, because this car cover is designed to fit a few different sedans or hatchbacks of about the same length. So it's going to be some vehicles might fit great, some it's just going to be a little loose on like this. Like just about every car cover has elastic on the front and the back, and also a reinforced grommet in the center to anchor it, just like one of our custom fit car covers. Difference on a late model application, all of our late model truck and car and SUV patterns are going to have mirror pockets, so that we think that provides a better fit and kind of keeps the cover in place a little bit better. And on certain vehicles that have a roof mount fin antenna, maybe a fixed antenna, a lot of our car cover patterns will denote if it has pockets for that, whereas this one doesn't. This one just goes right over it, where on our cover for this vehicle it does have a fin pocket. So you'll see it's a little bit of a difference between a custom fit California car cover and a ready fit, and that's just something to consider when shopping covers. I hope this short video was helpful in explaining the differences between a custom fit car cover and a ready fit car cover. So there's a lot of things to consider, such as price, warranty, fit, fabric, alterations, modifications, everything when you're shopping between car covers. So we hope when you're in the market for a custom fit car cover, you'll consider California car cover.